I'm Josh. This is the RC Colorado, purchasing the OCAM towing mirrors with the indicators. With the RC Colorado, it's a bit simpler than the newer models. All we have to do is pull the top clip off, like so. So you don't have to worry about any of the door trims. It's a nice simple 10mm socket, 3 bolts on the existing mirror. You unplug the connector, give us a bit more room, like so, and simple 3 nuts to come off. As you can see, I'm only loosening them so I can grab the mirror with one hand through the actual window. Be careful not to drop any of these bolts into the door trim. The electric mirror loop, and there we go, one mirror off. Beautifully packaged, beautiful for transport as well. Comes with it 3 nuts supplied. They're in the pocket. Make sure they're easy to get to. Beautiful. So we'll go around the front. Always best to put your wiring through the hole first. One hand, grab the mirror. It's a lot easier if you have a second person on the holes, but it's simple. Lines up perfectly. Just same as your tyres. Do a sort of a star pattern, not overly tight, you don't want to snap anything. Nice, snug. There we have it. Plug and play, easy connections. With the wiring loop, you can tuck it in the door trim. Make sure no wires are pinching. That's it. Cover off. Beautiful. One happy customer.